This isn't just a Cayman, it's a race car with a license plate. The Porsche 718 Cayman GT4 RS is what happens when Porsche unleashes its motorsport DNA into the mid-engine platform, creating one of the most hardcore drivers cars on the planet. But is this the ultimate track weapon? Let's find out. Welcome to the Gear Guru channel. If you love cars as much as I do, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on the latest automotive content. And don't forget to drop a comment. Would you take the GT4 RS over a 911 GT3? Let's get into it. The Cayman has always been the underdog in Porsche's lineup, an insanely capable mid-engine sports car that lived in the 911's shadow. But the GT4 RS changes everything. Porsche gave it the 4.0-liter naturally aspirated flat six from the 911 GT3. And the result? 493 horsepower, 331 pound-feet of torque, and a screaming 9,000 RPM redline. This thing is an absolute monster. With the PDK transmission, the GT4 RS rockets from 0 to 60 in just 3.2 seconds, making it one of the quickest Caymans ever built. And thanks to an ultra-lightweight chassis, race-inspired suspension, and massive aerodynamics, it handles like a full-fledged GT race car. But let's talk about the design. The 718 Cayman GT4 RS is aggressive from every angle. Swan neck rear wing, larger air intakes, a lowered stance, and lightweight carbon fiber panels. Everything is built for performance. And those air intakes right behind the driver's head? That's where you hear the flat six scream at full throttle. It's pure motorsport magic. Step inside and you know this is a serious machine. The interior is stripped down and focused. Alcantara everywhere, carbon fiber bucket seats, a GT3 style steering wheel, and the signature PDK gear shifter. There are no distractions, just you, the car, and the road ahead. Now let's talk about the driving experience. The GT4 RS is brutally fast, but it's not just about straight-line speed. With a fully adjustable suspension, ultra-sticky Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, and rear-wheel drive, this thing eats corners for breakfast. The steering is razor-sharp, the chassis balance is perfect, and with a Nürburgring lap time of just 7 minutes and 4 seconds, it's proof that this isn't just a Cayman, it's a supercar killer. And then there's the sound. The naturally aspirated flat six is one of the best-sounding engines Porsche has ever made. Deep, aggressive, and absolutely feral at high RPMs. This is the kind of car that makes you want to find the longest tunnel just to hear it scream. The 718 Cayman GT4 RS proves that Porsche isn't just about the 911. This is the rawest, most extreme Cayman ever built, and it might just be the best driver's car of the decade. With Porsche moving towards hybrid and electric performance, this could be one of the last great naturally aspirated mid-engine machines we'll ever see. So, is the Porsche 718 Cayman GT4 RS the ultimate track car? Or would you still go for a 911 GT3 or something like the Corvette Z06? Drop a comment below and let's talk about it. And before you go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more insane car content. Thanks for watching The Gear Guru. See you in the next one.